welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at a Husqvarna 390 XP. This is a high-performance chainsaw that has been ported, has the outlaw coil on it, and has a dual port muffler on it. These are sold as test chainsaws, not to be used for firewood cutting. This one features that very nice lightweight organ bar, approximately 2 pounds lighter than you're used to on a 32-inch. Has a Sylvie razor ground, a razor sharp chain, and the rakers have been indexed. Extra porting on the muffler, the wrap handlebars, large falling spikes. Just a very, very powerful chainsaw. If you have any interest in these large professional chainsaws, give the chainsaw guy a call.